I'm going to make a bag with a gusset, and I'm starting out with a paper that's 8.5 by 11, and I'm folding it in half, and I'm going to score it on one side, the side that's open, a half an inch, and I'm going to cut off one of the half inches, and I'm going to fold the other half inch under so that the bag will be glued together. I do have a tutorial showing how to make a flat bag in the playlist if you haven't seen that yet. So we're going to fold down half an inch on one side, and then here I'm just drawing a line so I can see where to cut it off. Sometimes I use my cutter just to make it more straight, and sometimes I use my scissors. But here I'm using my cutter because I want it very straight. And then I'm going to glue this, put some hot glue here and glue it down. Now I have paper that's glued, that is together on both sides. And I'm going to put it back in my score pad, and I'm going to score it again on that same side, a half an inch, turn it over, and score it on the other side, a half inch. So both sides are scored a half inch. We're going to open it up, find my score lines, and I'm going to crease them at the score lines. Now you're going to have three things here. You're going to have the center, and then you have two score lines, one on each side. And I'm going to crease both of them. Then I'm going to push the center down into the bag, and then I'm going to crease this, and I have one gusset there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to fold that and crease it, and crease the other score line there. And I'm going to push that down in the center, and then I'm going to, crease it nice. Now you have a gusset in the bag. You have your gussets. And I'm going to cut some off because this is 8.5, and I only want it to be 6 inches, but I'm going to leave 3/4 of an inch on the bags because I'm going to turn that up for the edge, the bottom. So I'm going to score it at 3/4 because I'm going to turn it up, and then my bag will be 6 inches long totally. And I'm going to crease it there. I'm going to clip it, make it look professional. I'm going to cut some of this bulk out of here. And the little flaps too, you'll see, I'm going to cut them off. We don't need them. And then I'm going to glue that all together. And then I'm going to glue that to the bottom. And we are done.